2-3 authority. Yeah, great. Alright, take off. Mount flight 43 SRs from the order thrust blue.
Check. Cross set.
And a 454 tower comes to that block out of the way, running 23, it'll be within 3 minutes break. Line up the way.
Check.
B1.
Ears up. Down. Thank you.
Get 8 Mike Yankee, contact departure 128 decimal, good day.
128 decimal 8,
Departures ETIHAD 8 Yankee Super, good afternoon, order 7 departures, climbing 5,000, crossing 1,500.
ETIHAD 8 Mike Yankee Super, departure, good afternoon, you're identified. Time 7,000.
Time 7,000, ETIHAD 8 Yankee.
7,000 feet blue.
41, turn right direct to left. I turn direct to left here, Canada.
Thrust line climb, order thrust.
Checks.
2 Alpha Foxtrot, contact front of center 13247.
3247.
Fox 1.
Check.
Passport 2137, contact front of center 133.3. 132.3, Canada 1041, climb to flight level 230. Level 230,